Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you for a full ride on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride here at Disneyland in Fantasyland. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to follow us on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, let's get started. And we'll be using our special 4K ultra low light camera for this, so you should get a really great view of the ride. So I hope you enjoy.
I believe that Mole is fetching a motor car now. To ensure your safety while motoring, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and do supervise your children. Equal trouble.
Right, Joe, that is all.
Well, that's all for now for this full ride on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride here at Disneyland. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember again to leave us a like and a comment, as it really does help the video when you do that. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to enable notifications every time we go live or have a new video. And finally, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. Also, be sure to check out HeyTeamKelly.com for all your professional Disney World photography needs. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.